Hello everyone, today is Thursday, November 21st. It's about 4:35 p.m. and I have another live trading video from Trader Jim. And it's a really good video because he's using several of my templates that I show in live simulations. So the way I'm trading them is 100% automated, whereas Jim interjects a little bit of bias to go long only or short only. And that makes such a huge difference in your probabilities. So let's take a look at Trader Jim's video for today. Well worth watching. Always, Jim is showing us great discipline to stick with his evaluation of the market. So such a great way to learn to use our auto trader to watch these videos, and we now have over 100 of them. So it's a trading education in itself. Let's have a look at today's video for Thursday.
November 21st. Yesterday I could not trade. I had to take my dog to the Cornell Animal Hospital for a knee surgery. So I was out all day, but well, I am back. So a very interesting day yesterday. Actually, they went kind of low. Let me show the computer. I'm sorry, the time and sales. And it's in a different monitor. Hold on. Let me drag it over. Here it is. Yeah, so yesterday they went, they sold off pretty good, but then they closed actually right neutral to 82.85. Now 82.85 is a very important number. I spoke about it a number of times, and Randy showed it on Market Profile. So as you can see right now, I am on longs on this chart. But I could very quickly switch to shorts if price starts breaking that 82.85. So again, this is a 987 Hakinashi chart, and the way the Hakinashi bars are formed, it looks like price is not moving, but as you can see from time and sales, that price indeed is changing. It's just that the way the bar is formed, it doesn't exactly move in line with price, but I assure you, price is changing. Anyway, I am biased to the long for now, as long as we are above 82.85. If we start breaking 82.85, well, then it's 82.55 and lower. So definitely I will switch very quickly to shorts if price starts breaking 82.85 before the market opens in about 15 minutes. On the other hand, trading above 82.85 brings into the picture 83.15 and then of course 83.6. I also made a workspace of these three templates. All three are from Randy's setups. So we have the 500 tick chart filtered by open daily range filter. We have the ES Superenko 6 filtered by Superenko 6 higher time frame with a different sensitivity. So let me just show you the templates here. And this one is the 150 Hakinashi, also filtered by daily open range filter. So I'm going to just let all of these run. Right now they're on longs, but as I said, if price starts breaking 85, I will switch very quickly to shorts. So indeed they broke below 85, and so I switched everything to shorts. Because then breaking 85 just means they're going to go down to 55. So looking forward for a nice run down. Everything is on shorts. The ES, I think the minimum is 94, and that's a minimum. Sales. Okay, so with a few seconds to go, so again, daily open range filter on both of these, This is higher time frame, Super Renko 6 ES. A lot to keep an eye on. Speaking of which, by the way, let me know if this setup works for you, because it does not work for me at all. I cannot see it at all. I have some vision issues. I was trying to for me, this is way too small. So I actually have a duplicate of this setup on another monitor. Not with the arbitrator on, just so I can see what's going on, because to me this is too small. Let me know if it's too small for you, or you can actually, because there's no point of me going through all this and then you can't even see anything. So just let me know. Always asking for comments and likes. Don't be shy. That's how I know you guys are listening. All right, we have the daily open range, and we have a short already on 150 tick. All of these will trade just one contract. All of them, all three templates here. It was a short on a 500 tick. Okay, so now we have a short on the ES as well. Higher time frame is bearish. So upon the close of that bar, we got into a short trade. Again, trading just one contract. Well, all three charts are in. Okay, so progressing nicely. By the way, all three of these templates were made by Randy. I just tweaked a couple of things, but this is 95% his setup. This Super Renko 6, filtered by Super Renko 6, just with a higher time frame. I'm sorry, just with the highest sensitivity. This is one of the charts that he says performs the best for him, so I decided to try it out. I'm not a big S&P trader. I do, on occasion, take S&P trades. I just like the NASDAQ better because the arbitrator likes volatility, and the NASDAQ, as a rule, is much more volatile than the S&P. Okay, well, hopefully they're going to continue to come down. I do have to leave maybe a bit after 11, so I'm hoping to be out of all three of these trades before I have to leave. If not, then I'll just leave it running. I'm going to leave the recording on. Hopefully it stays on. You know, being below 85 for the NASDAQ, I just don't see them avoiding 55, so just going to stick with it. Okay, getting close to this first target here on the 500 tick. I unclick the shorts here for now. If they do fill me, I'm going to want to see some kind of bounce first. Don't want to take an immediate short. All right, so we got first target on a 500 tick. Right, so this is the retracement. I click the shorts on again. Upon the break of the volatility stop, there's going to be another short. The other two trades, no change there. Still looking for lower numbers. Oh, they came back all the way back up to the open range. I'm getting a little nervous now because trading above 85 is bullish, so I want them to stay below 85. I think they should. So I'm just going to let the trade be. The ES retraced as well. But I'm sticking with my trade. All right, so rejected from the open range. Red bars and then another short on the 500 tick. Let's see if we can finish up the But I think the target here is 750, so got quite a bit to go. But it's a good location for a short, so I feel good about it. ES is coming back down. Good. So I think I'm in good shape here. Just time is ticking, and I would love to be out by 11 o'clock. We'll see. Oh, they're testing the daily open range again. Well, looks like we're in another tight day over here. Really looking for that breakdown. Just don't want them to go above 85, that's all. Oh, not fun anymore. They must fail right over here, or these two trades, probably all three trades, are in trouble. They must fail here. Well, indeed, it looks like they did fail at 85, so I'm optimistic once again. Optimistic for lower prices. It's been very sideways here this morning. Really sideways. A bit of a nail biter, I won't lie. Once they came up here, I mean, they were not far from taking me out here. But it held. That's a lot more like it. Here we go. ES hitting target. Everything is coming down. Another target over here. Beautiful. All of a sudden, I guess they needed to retest it more than once, but 85 held. All right. Got 2 out of the 3. 2 out of the 3. Of course, this one is the highest daily target of 750. All right, and looks like I have plenty of time still, so I need another leg down from the NASDAQ. The Super Enco 6, filtered by Super Enco 6. Did a great job. Nice going, Randy. Again, guys, remember, this is one contract. This is one contract each here. All right, let's take a look at the combine. Let's see what it's doing. It's in a different template, in a different workspace. So yeah, so far so good for the combine. Won't work. So it also is on shorts only. And also just one contract. Today's a one contract kind of day for me. I wanted to try to run quite a few charts at the same time, so I didn't want to load up on contracts today. All right, come on, NASDAQ. One more leg down. One more leg down. Look here at how they tested that daily open range from the underbelly and then just failed. This is textbook. Beautiful. The bears are trying again. I will unclick the shorts. If I hit this target, I probably will be done. Even if it doesn't hit the daily target, I will be done here. Come on. getting a bit nervous here. We bring it to break even, maybe 50%. You just can't break this tiny area here. And it's this magic number, so. All right, let's give it a shot. Come on, NASDAQ. One more leg down. Here they come. Just can't break it there. Look at that, came so close. I think it actually touched my target there price, but no fill. Goodness. Just can't get filled there. Nope. And they got my trail. Ah, darn it. Well, still, you know what? I think very impressive performance, considering just one contract was traded in every one of these accounts. A bit disappointed I couldn't hit the target here, and I won't lie, this was actually stressful for me, having so much going at the same time. Let's check on the combine real fast. Yeah, looks like this one is going to get taken out as well. Probably going to be just a break-even day for the combine. Well, I'm going to leave this one running. Maybe, we'll see. I still have a few minutes for the day, so let's see what's going to happen. Oh, they're making a move lower. I mean, that 55, you know, could be solid support, so I'm not going to let this become a losing trade. 55 is not extremely important, but there is something there, so no reason to take a winning trade and turn it into a losing trade. All right, well, this one stepped out on the trail as well. So, well, it is what it is. I'm going to have to leave soon, so I took everything offline here. A bit frustrating, but again, this kind of a tight day, just very hard to trade. I'll see when I come home. Maybe, depends what time I come home. Let's see if I'll be able to get another trade going.